What is going on, guys? Sorry for the lack of videos these past couple days. It has been extremely rainy, extremely crappy. Kind of delayed our plans, which was to do Billy's coilovers and get his car driving again. So today instead I'm going to talk to you about the enduro that's coming up. You guys have met the Grand Marquis. You've seen it do some skids. Still couldn't. I've just been sitting here. I haven't done much with it in like I think a week plus, a while. But it's right underneath the bird seed feeder thing, and it's growing a couple of different trees and plants here. The requirements for the Halloween howler are that you gut the interior, own the driver's seat. You don't need a roll cage or anything. Take all the glass out except the driver's windshield. You can run plexiglass or whatever, but I don't. It's not worth it. You gotta have a helmet, long pants, long sleeves, bring some spare tires. Other than that, though, you really don't need a whole lot. You gotta take the lights out. You gotta chain the bumpers on and the doors. You can weld the doors if you want. So this car will be getting the works done to it pretty soon. Cody and Billy are still looking for cars, and we've been on that this entire week of the crappy rainy weather. We have been out looking for cars and investigating a bunch of different ones, just going far away. We actually found a car identical to this. Cody went and checked it out. It was like 2 hours away, and it ended up not starting, so we were like, we could probably find something better. But they're still looking. We're gonna get them something. It's gonna be awesome. So for today, I'm gonna show you guys a clip of me from 2016 running the Halloween howler in a, oh crap, I don't know the year, but I was in a big bubble Chevy Caprice. It's pretty epic. Let's check it out. And at this moment, I knew I screwed up. That noise you hear right when I hit the car is the drive shaft hitting the floor. Never a good sound. You never want to hear your drive shaft hitting the floor. What happened when I rear-ended that guy, I hit him a little bit too hard. I bent the frame. The frame was probably already bent, but the frame ended up bending in the front. The front of the car was bent up, the middle of the car was bent down, and the rear of the car over the arches was folded down. So the frame was junk. So I hit the guy, bent the drive shaft. I ended up making it another like lap, 2 laps, got thrown down into the ditch, drive shaft grenaded, blew apart. The car was so rotted I could see through the floor, and as I'm sitting there bouncing it off rev limiter, as you have to, because what do you do with the car? It doesn't move but runs. Sitting there bouncing off rev limiter, all the transmission fluid that it puked out of the tranny somehow when the drive shaft broke catches on fire. And like I just said, all the rust in the floor, I could see it, so I was like, well, damn. Shut the car off. I was like, crap, I don't want to burn, you know what I'm saying? That's not good. So I shut it off, goes out. I fired up a few minutes later, the rev limiter, of course, same thing happens. End up sitting there at the end of the race. It goes, obviously, I shut the car off, no fire, and I hop out of the car. So all in all, it was a wicked fun time. And that was just me out there trashing the thing around, having an awesome time. So I am so excited for the 3 of us to do it this year, and you guys are definitely going to want to stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss it. Like, I can't wait. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you